Hello, my name is Aji, and here I am with an ice cube. Now, what if I let the ice cube sit like there for 5 minutes? Exactly, it melts. But why is that? You see, water can be formed to an ice cube because the water was in cold temperature, and when we let it sit in hotter temperature, in this case room temperature, they will absorb the heat from outside, and we call this phenomenon as endothermic. Now, we already know that water to ice cube is a reversible reaction, means it happens in both ways, forward and reverse, which also means that the water can be formed to an ice cube and that ice cube can also be water again. The chemical reaction looks like this. As I already said that this phenomenon is an endothermic reaction, and like what we already learned, that endothermic reaction is a reaction where things absorb heat from the outside, which we can also think that the heat is part of the reactant, like this. Higher temperature means more heat, so things will shift to the right to relieve the extra heat. Likewise, lower the temperature and you will get less heat, so things will shift to the left to gain more heat. In our ice cube case, the ice cube gained more heat from outside. That's why it melts and turns into water again.
Hello, I'm Alva and I'm a carpenter. Now in front of me I have 4 logs of wood that can make equal to 2 chairs. It turns out that my friend Aji gave me 4 more logs of wood, so now I have 8 logs of wood. But now the problem is my scale is out of balance. How can we solve that? You're right, we just need to swipe 2 logs of wood and make it into a chair, and voila, it becomes balanced again. This is the same concept as what we learned in equilibrium chemistry. Take a look to this reaction. What if we increase concentration of the reactant? Exactly, the reaction will shift to the right in order to reduce the extra concentration that I just add up. Same pattern will happen if we try to increase the concentration of the product. The reaction will shift to the left with the same purpose, to reduce the extra concentration.